Ever had an oops moment that turned into a whoa? Join us to uncover some amazing inventions. Welcome to Serendipitous Discoveries. Our next story, a wartime mission, a chemistry oops, and a super stretchy goo. Get ready for the bouncy goo that changed playtime.
In 1940s wartime, natural rubber was scarce. Scientist James Wright's mission was to invent a cheap, synthetic rubber.
He experimented with a special goo called silicone. One day, he added another chemical, boric acid, hoping to create a new type of rubber. But the experiment went oops. Instead of strong rubber, he got a weird, bouncy, stretchy goo. It was too soft, too floppy, not helpful for the war. It seemed useless. Not rubber, not anything. So, James Wright set aside his bouncy goo. It was a failure in his mission. Or was it?
Years later, James played with his bouncy goo. It stretched, it rolled, it even bounced. It was super fun, but still had no real purpose. Then, a toy store owner saw the goo. He realized it wasn't a failure. It was a super fun toy. It could stretch, bounce, and even lift newspaper comics.
They colored the goo, put it in little plastic eggs, and called it Silly Putty. It was an instant hit, flying off the shelves.
Silly Putty became a playtime sensation. Kids loved stretching it, bouncing it, and even lifting funny pictures from newspaper comics. From a wartime oops to a global phenomenon, Silly Putty has brought joy and endless stretchy fun to millions of kids around the world.
All thanks to a scientist trying to make rubber, who accidentally invented the world's most famous bouncy goo. What a wonderful oops!
What oops might you turn into a eureka? Stay curious, keep exploring, and who knows what amazing discoveries you'll make.
From exploding eggs to brilliant blunders, the world is full of awesome serendipitous discoveries. Don't miss our next story.
Love hearing how mistakes lead to brilliance? Then hit that subscribe button and join TenderIntellects for more serendipitous discoveries.